You've probably heard that manifestation is complicated, that it demands strict rituals, perfectly scripted affirmations, endless visualizations, and constant effort to stay positive. But what if the truth is the opposite? What if conscious manifestation is actually simple, so simple that most people overlook it? Because here's the reality. You are already living inside a quantum field, a field overflowing with infinite possibilities, a field that does not respond to force, but to alignment. And yet most people treat manifestation like a battle. They try to overpower their current reality with sheer willpower. They repeat affirmations without conviction, visualize outcomes while secretly doubting them, and push themselves to stay positive even while their bodies carry stress, fear, and scarcity. But in the quantum world, forcing creates friction. It's like trying to swim upstream. You exhaust yourself and move nowhere. So let's strip this down to its essence. Manifestation is not about chasing what you want, it's about collapsing into the version of reality where what you want already exists. And yet, here's the paradox. The moment you release the need, the field can finally deliver. Think back to times in your life when something just flowed to you effortlessly. Maybe you met the right person at the right time. Maybe an unexpected opportunity landed in your lap. Maybe inspiration struck when you weren't even trying. What's the common thread? You weren't gripping. You weren't forcing. You were open, aligned, and available. That's the quantum at work. Not responding to your words, but to your energy. You could say, "I am abundant," 1,000 times. But if deep inside you're still holding on to fear, the field reflects that fear, not because it's punishing you, but because it mirrors your most coherent signal. So the shift is simple yet radical. Stop trying to get. Start learning to be. Become the signal. Embody the vibration. Let your state. So how do you change it? By shifting from survival to coherence. By practicing the feelings of love before the person arrives. By embodying the sense of worthiness now, not later. This is true for abundance, for health, for any desire. You go first. You embody the frequency, and then the field reflects it. Now, does that mean you'll always feel perfect? No. Wobbles are part of the process. You'll have doubts, old stories will creep back, fear will try to reattach itself. And that's okay. The power isn't in never falling. It's in returning. That's the true practice of manifestation, coming back into alignment again and again until coherence becomes your default state. Remember, you don't manifest what you want. You manifest what you are. The field doesn't respond to your wish list. It responds to your state. Think of yourself as a radio. If you want to hear jazz, you don't demand jazz from the universe while staying tuned to a heavy metal station. You change the dial. You tune your frequency. The same is true here. When your thoughts, emotions, and actions hum together in coherence, the field responds with clarity. Reality begins to bend toward you. So here's my final invitation. Every day, choose to align with the timeline you desire before you see evidence of it. Breathe like the person who already has it. Walk like them.